All right, I guess welcome all survivors of the first day. How you guys doing?
Oh, good. We found some interesting stuff already.
Okay, yeah, we found some bugs as well. I think on all sides. So I guess we'll get some fixes by tomorrow and retest whatever needs to be retested. But also I guess we did not get much further on stir shaking, so that's what we will focus tomorrow.
Right.
And yeah.
Everybody's looking a little bit drained.
I was expecting this to be a bit longer because I didn't quite have time to test everything.
Yeah, it went pretty quickly. That's something we always forget. Every time while we have been doing it for a few times, and we're like, oh yeah, it's like 3 hours, and we'll test everything, and then at the end of 3 hours, it's like, oh yeah, we did test probably like 50% of what we planned to. But it's good, and if you guys can keep the setup running, I'll poke around maybe later today.
Yep.
After maybe play around some of those more advanced kind of misuse of the headers and the APIs. But I guess we found at least one problem with Go B2B, which is not following RFC with synons in related fields, which I believe is required for session variants. Which is
Do you
why,
guys use also Pion for that Golang stuff you're doing? You know the Pion, the WebRTC client in Golang? Actually, WebRTC stack, sorry.
No. We actually Andrei created his own stack, Python stack,
Nice.
based on our Python, and it's basically just pure SIP, and we basically targeted for high-end customers which need a lot of CPSs per box. For like on a smaller end, lower end, we find that Python is safest bet because it's very nice, stable. It's like this time around, OpenSIP's got crashed. We only got some traceback, but the server is running, so that's kind of nice thing about Python. And obviously Python is very good on. Well, it's not very performant, but at least it's very consistent. I don't know. We'll see how Go does in that end because it's technically garbage collected, so we have a little bit of doubt in.
Yeah, but it should be
much faster.
Much faster, yeah.
Yeah, but faster. But it's actually anyway.
Yeah,
I'm a little bit worried about this might get a little bit of jittery. So we don't have guarantees of how long the call processing takes sometimes. Anyway, yeah. Any notes or anything?
Hey Max, on the asterisk UAS tab on the spreadsheet, you've got a fail in there.
It's on my end fail. It's not on asterisk side. I think. I will have to review the RFC. I think this new revision of the stack, I went a little bit maybe overboard with the matching, because I believe I'm just matching the uppercase.
Oh, okay.
Sending the lowercase. And I was like, yeah, it's anyway. I'll check the RFC what does it says, but probably it means I will probably just drop that comparison to be more compatible with historical RFC's implementations. Even if RFC kind of suggests it's capital, doesn't matter. So yeah, it's also good. Okay. Livio, anything for tomorrow? Any preparation you done already, or is it just?
So definitely, I will prepare all the expired and what was it? Future certificates, as well as the man in the middle box that you will be able to use and to get it to send traffic to your server. That's kind of what I have in mind. I'll see how I can configure it to do so. And let me know if you don't have the certificates from last time, as I can anyway, I'll do it for everybody. So if you don't have them, you can check the link I will provide. So you can get the Stir Shaken certificates that will work with everyone else. They will be part of the same trust chain. That is the idea. I provided the root certificate on the chat. Not sure if you noticed. It's on the Slack. So you can, depending on how you wrote your software, you can add that to the, like a CA list, or yeah. So it's seen as a trusted.
Okay.
And the certificates of each team, right certificate and key, they are derived from this root certificate. So each team receives a pair, a cert and key pair. So you sign the messages, right? The header.
Okay, and I believe George, you guys also set up some kind of Stir Shaken, right?
Yeah, I mean, Ben, correct me, but I think we're ready to go with at least all the certs we had last time.
Yeah, I believe we still have those. When I went and I checked in the directory, they were still there. So
Awesome.
should be good.
All right, well, then I guess we can wrap up here, unless...
Yep.
I've just got one little bit of extra information. I've put links to the videos on the OpenSIPIt'02 page now. So if you look at the schedule, it says session 1, and right next to it, there's a link to the live stream. So if you want to watch it or you want to point people to it, it's as easy as pointing them to the OpenSIPIt'02 page now, and they can go to the videos from there.
Great.
Excellent.
Thank you for that,
Thank you,
David.
David. Yeah.
Good to see everybody, and I expect I'll see
Oh,
you.
yeah. Have a good rest and talk to you guys tomorrow. Yeah. Thanks.